Okay. My name is Desiree Hlathi from OkuhleKodwa Training Center. We are a training center here at Bracken Mine. So we got invited today by the Department of Labor to come and showcase, or rather to talk more about what we do, the services that we provide, and so forth. So we are a training center based in Bracken, called OkuhleKodwa Training Center. So what we do is that we upskill the youth, be it from the age of 16 until 35 or plus. We have programs such as mechanical fitting, electrical, welding, boiler making, millwright, painter, plumbing. The list is endless. So what we do is that we recruit the youth from and around our communities, and we train them to be employable. And we also have an apprentice program that we have for students that want to come and actually pay for themselves instead of having to wait for funding. So what we do is that we also welcome those who come, walk-ins, we call them walk-ins, that are actually coming to pay for the fees for themselves so that they can also be upskilled. So basically that is what